Good morning, students. Now your unit test is coming on Monday. So in that test, chapter 4 will be coming. That is basic geometrical ideas. So today we are going to do revision. So first, these are the main points related to the chapter. First point is point, then line segment, then lines, intersecting lines, parallel lines, ray, then curve, polygons, angle, quadrilateral and circle. So what is the point? First come on the point. Point. What is point? This is a point, this is a point, this is a point. I have drawn 4 points. So how we will define points? Points is just geometrical indication of a position. It is a geometrical. What? Geometrical representation. It is a geometrical representation of a position, or we can simply say that location. It is geometrical representation of position or a location. It has no width, length and thickness. What? It is a geometrical representation of a position, location. It has no width, length and thickness. So this is regarding about points. Now we will move to line segment. Line segment. Line segment. Now you see when you point, क्या करो पॉइंट को लगातार एक के ऊपर एक पॉइंट रखते जाओ तो क्या हो जाएगा? There will be formation of a line segment, and if has two terminating, this will be terminating end, and this will be also terminating end. So what is line? A fixed straight path having fixed distance. So what is a line? A line having fixed length. What will have? Fixed length. A line will having fixed length, and it has two terminating ends point. What? Two terminating end point. So how it is represented? Suppose this is A and B, so it will be represented by A bar. Whenever it is represented like this, you must understand it is a line segment. Means it is indicating the fixed length. What? Fixed length. Now moving on to line. What? We will move to line. What? Now we have studied line segment. Now we will move to line. Line. It has no terminating. It has non-terminating. Means it has no terminating. So we cannot say the actual length of a line. Not possible to tell actual length. क्या होगा कि हम लोग बता ही नहीं सकते हैं कि एक्चुअल लेंथ क्या होगा लाइन का. What will be the actual length of line? It has two non-terminating things. Means arrow represent non-terminating ends. Arrow क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड्स. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ इन लाइन वी विल सी intersecting lines and parallel lines. What in line segment? Now we will see intersecting lines and parallel lines. Intersecting lines. What is intersecting lines? When a line cross over another line. Means here this is L and M. Here line L is cross over the line M. So when two lines cross over at one point, then that line segment is known as intersecting line. When two lines cross over each other at one point. Each other at one point, then that lines are known as intersecting lines. When two lines cross over each other at one point, then that lines are known as intersecting lines. यानी एक ही जगह क्रॉस ओवर करेगा और एक ही पॉइंट पे करेगा. उससे ज्यादा दो लाइंस खुद को दो बार क्रॉस ओवर नहीं करेंगे. वो कितने बार क्रॉस ओवर करेंगे? ओनली वन टाइम्स. दे विल क्रॉस ओवर ईच अदर एट ओनली वन टाइम्स, not more than one times. Now parallel line. Parallel lines. When this distance will be fixed. Means when two lines never crosses each other and in between them distance are always same. When two lines never cross each other. When two lines never cross each other, and distance between them remains same. What? When two lines never cross each other and distance between them remains same, then that lines are known as parallel lines. क्या होगा कि ये जो दो लाइन है, लाइन एल और एम, एल और एम, ये दोनों लाइन कभी एक दूसरे को क्रॉस ओवर नहीं करेगा और इनके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस रहेगा हमेशा सेम रहेगा। क्या रहेगा? दैट डिस्टेंस विल बी सेम। और पैरेलल हम किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? टू लाइन से। ये हो गया पैरेलल लाइन का सिंबल। दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ पैरेलल। क्या है? सिंबल ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस। अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वी विल मूव टू रे। Now moving to ray, this is the figure of ray, means it has one terminating in and one non-terminating in. What example you can say? The when you on torch bulb, then from there rays are generated. So ray have no fixed length. What? It does not have fixed length. Understood? And next thing, it has one terminating end and one non-terminating end. One non-terminating end. It has no fixed length. It has one terminating end and one non-terminating end. So till now we have discussed point, then line, segment, line and ray. What conclusion you can make from ray, line, segment and line? We can say that ray and line does not have fixed length, but line segment have fixed length. Next, moving on, line have two terminating end, ray has one terminating end, and line segment have two terminating end, and we can show them by figure. Now moving to curves. Curves, this is the figure of curve. When a line segment does not follow a straight path. Curve का फॉर्म होता है when a line segment does not follow a straight path. Means a line segment which does not follow a straight path. अगर वो स्ट्रेट पाथ फॉलो नहीं करेगा, देन इट बिकम्स कर्व। वो क्या बन जाता है? कर्व बन जाता है। अंडरस्टूड? नाउ व्हाट इज सिंपल कर्व? सिंपल कर्व. Simple curve are those curve which does not cross each other. Those curve which does not crosses each other. What? Those curves which does not crosses each other is known as simple curve. Now, what is open curve? The figure I have drawn is an example of open curve. Open curve. When a starting point and ending point of curve are not same. Are not same when the starting point and ending point of curve are not same, then that curve known as open curve. This will be open curve. This is the open curve. When the starting point and ending point are same, then that is known as closed. When now we will see closed curve. Closed curve, when the starting point and ending point are same, then that curve is known as closed curve. For example, circle. These are the example of closed curve. What? These are the example of closed curve. Now moving on, next we have polygon. Polygons are closed figure made up of line segment. What? Closed figure made up of a line segment. What is the minimum number of line segment required to make a polygon? The 3. The minimum number of line segment. Minimum number of line segment required. Minimum number of line segment required to make polygon equals to 3. The minimum number of line segment required to make polygon is 3. Now when a polygon having 3 sides is known as triangle. When it is have 4 sides, it is not known as quadrilateral. When it is has 5 sides, it is known as pentagon. When it has 6 sides, it is known as hexagon. When it is have 7 sides, it is known heptagon. When it is have 8 sides, known as octagon. Like that you can see. Now the angles given. How we give the angles of polygon? Angles of polygon is given by n minus 2 into multiply 180 degree, where n is the number of sides. What is n? N is the number of sides. So we have seen polygons. Now moving on, angles. How angles is formed? Angles. This is a ray and this is another ray. Now join both terminating in. When you will join both terminating in, you will get like this figure, and this will be the angle. So angle है this vertex, this is arms. What? This is the arms. So angle will be of 3 types: acute, obtuse. In this chapter you have to study about acute, obtuse and right angle. What is acute angle? Whose value is less than 90 degree, and right angle whose value is 90 degree, obtuse more than 90 and less than 180, and straight angle is 180 degree. So this is regarding about angles. Now moving to quadrilaterals. What? Moving to quadrilaterals. So a polygon having 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. What? A polygon having four sides is known as quadrilateral. So number of vertex will be 4, number of arm will be 4, number of diagonals will be 2. Total angle of quadrilateral will be 360 degree. And in quadrilateral you have seen parallelogram, rectangle and square. That properties you have seen in last. You have to see about parallelogram, rectangle and a square. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equals, and all angles are equals to 90 degree. What? All angles will be equals to 90 degree. Then next is a square. In a square, all sides are equals in length and all angles are equals to 90 degree. Now moving to circle. Circle. This is the figure of a circle. When we will rotate a fixed length from a certain point, then the figure will come, that will be circle. In circle you have to discuss radius, diameter, arc, next circumference, sector, segment, chord, exterior, interior, point. These are the points we have to discuss in. So radius from the fixed distance from center to the arc is known as radius. This length is known as radius. This is the arc. And what is diameter? Diameter is the twice of radius. So here D is equals to 2r. D will be equals to 2r. Arc is the path along the boundary is known as arc. Now next is sector. When sector is formed when the area in between two radius of a circle. जो area of two radius circle के जो बीच में आएगा, then a smaller area will be known as minor sector and larger area will be known as major segment. This is major sector and this is minor sector. Next one is segment. What is segment? In segment, when two opposite point of circle. First we will discuss chord. When two opposite point of circle are joined by a line segment, then that line segment is known as chord. This is chord. And longest chord. What is longest chord of circle is diameter. What is the diameter? Longest chord of circle is known as diameter. Now the area below the chord, this is known as segment. What is segment? Area in between chord and arc. The area which will be covered in between chord and arc is known as segment. This will be minor segment, minor. This is major segment. Next exterior and interior point. The point which lies interior of a circle is known as interior point, and A, B, C, X, Y, Z, O, E, F. See in the figure, ABC is the interior point, and X, Y, Z, O is the exterior point, and E and F lie on the circle. So this is the quick revision of the chapter 4, that is basic geometrical idea. Revise carefully for your next class test. Thank you. Have a nice day.